Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked Hazrat Ali about haq mehr as hal ma'aka shay'un uzawwajuka bih. Do you have the necessary expenses to complete the stages of your marriage? Hazrat Ali replied, Fidaka abi wa ummi, wallahi la yakhfa alayka min amri shay'un. May my parents be sacrificed for you. Wallah, you know all about me. Amliku sayfi wa zir'i wa nazihi. I was sword, armor, and a camel. There is also a narration about the horse. Rasul Akram said to Hazrat Ali, these things are valuable and useful, and then said, Amma sayfuka malaghina bika anhu. As far as the sword is concerned, there is no choice without it. Tujahidu fi sabilillahi wa tuqatilu bihi a'da'ullah. With sword, you do jihad in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and compete the enemies. وَنَاسِخَاكَ بِهِ يَنْسِخُ بِهِ عَلَى نَخْلِكَ وَأَهْلِكَ. As far as the camel is concerned, it is also necessary. Through it, you bring water to your home and water your palm trees. وَتَحْمِلُ عَلَيْهِ رَحْلَكَ فِي سَفْرِكَ. You take the job of carrying goods from him and travel on it. وَلَكِنِّي زَوَّجْتُكَ بِالزَّرْعِ وَرَضِيتُ بِهِ مِنْكَ. I want to marry you from the price, that is, haq mehr of your armor, and I am satisfied on it. بِزِرْعَ وَإِتِنِي بِالْسَمَنِ. Sell the armor and bring its price. Hazrat Ali got the armor from the booty of Ghazwa Badr. According to one narration, it was sold for 80 dirham, while in second narration, this armor was sold 500 dirham.